beautiful day.
What is going on, everyone? We are back with another episode of the BTS Vault, and this one is very special for two reasons. One, if you remember, my friend Vic, who has a white M8, it's called the Belmar M8 on my channel. Go check it out if you haven't seen it. He just got a brand new car. You're gonna see it in a few. It's really sick. So we're shooting that today. But the second reason we're doing this BTS Vault is because Hollyland sent us an amazing new piece of technology that is game-changing to be on set with, and for also a lot of automotive stuff like rollers. You know, when you're using walkie-talkies to communicate, it's kind of a pain sometimes. You can't really do things as smooth as you want to. So they sent us their new Solidcom headset system. So with this, there's actually no base station at all. It's actually, everything is in here. This is the master headset. So when you turn this one on, and then you turn the slaves on, they all sync automatically. And they are an amazing piece of technology. So really simple. All you do is pop a battery in here. They're small lithium-ion batteries. They charge super fast. I believe the master headset lasts up to 5 to 6 hours, and the slaves are around 10 to 12. I'll add product info in the description and this video, but I believe that's what it is. And then you have your on-off switch right here. You'll see on the headset that it glows green. And then when you turn the other headsets on and they are connected, it glows green as well. If it's not connected, it blinks green until it does connect. And they connect within like a millisecond. It's awesome. What's really cool about this system too is that if you have the headset up like this, your mic is muted. If you have it down like this, you can talk. And also, you can wear this on either side of your head. The mic rotates all the way around. I don't know why I'm showing you this in my hand. I'm gonna show it to you on my head. So the headset's on, you see, up here, if you leave the mic like this, the mic is muted. If you bring it down here, the mic turns on and everybody can hear you. And like I said, fully rotatable. So if you don't like the headset on that side of your ear, you rotate to the side and you're good to go. So as we're waiting for Vic to show up, setting up the entire rig. Now, I've been using this rig for a couple years now, and it has done its job. It's paid its dues, but you see the way it's set up now, it's really just not the most optimal, not like the most professional looking. So I'm gonna end up actually switching this real soon. That's another surprise for you guys. But for a lot of those who ask what the setup is, we have the DJI Ronin M, rig wheels, slingshot here, a whole custom-made rig. And we have the Sony a7S III connecting to the Atomos Ninja V, which is outputting signal to the Hollyland Mars 400S Pro, which then goes into here to connect to the other Mars 400S Pro, and then to a little Ninja V for me to view on. And this is going to be a great day. You can wear this on either side, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
So basically, when the mic's up like this, it's like a gaming headset almost. It's muted.
Okay.
So when you put it down, that's when I can hear you.
Okay, cool. Let's do it.
All good?
Let's go, right?
Yeah, so here. See how clear it is?
Yeah, dude.
It's wild, right?
Yeah.
Definitely makes rollers way easier.
Yeah.
All right, Vic, you ready?
Yeah, boy.
Let's f***ing get it. So Vic, you hop in the right lane. We're gonna stay in the left here. And let's speed up a bit. Sweet. Yep, go ahead, Nick. Speed up more. We got Nicky Boy here doing the BTS Vault. We got Vic over there with his brand new M3. Looks sick. We just finished doing some rollers. We're not done yet. We're gonna do some more. Just dismounted it off here. Everything worked flawlessly with the Hollyland wireless and the headsets. We got the GoPro for some more BTS footage there. But we got some sick footage of these seagulls over here. Oh, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. So we're gonna film some detail shots now, and let's get it. Oh, Inception.
I didn't think it would pop that much. It looks really good. You killed this build, Vic.
Cell phone or headsets?
Headsets, bro. So easy. My hand's in the pocket. I can speak to you and Sam.
Much better, beats the stupid phone and connection issues
Hell yeah.
and
Hell yeah.
speakerphone and
More importantly, safety and like just convenience, both.
All right, boys, we on the way to the city right now. Part 2 of Vic's shoot. We just mic'd up his car. We outie. We got Hollyland still rocking here. Headset still here.
Yodel's
still here. Nick was supposed to save those for the ride home later, but already has 2 of them. But
One of them's for you guys. So.
oh, so you hear that? That's nice. That's nice of you, man.
Okay, so we got Nick over there. We are in front of Grand Central Terminal right now. Nick's getting an epic photo of Vic's M3 right in front of the terminal. Snagging this photo. We're getting a quick video clip. This is what you gotta do in New York City. Is just hop in, hop out, grab what you gotta get in, get out. All right, it's about 2 in the morning right now. We just finished shooting around Manhattan with Vic and Nick, and we are now wrapping up here in Brooklyn with a beautiful shot, well, if it focuses, of the skyline, Manhattan skyline. It looks dope.
216, Rat Boys.
Rat boy.
How well did the Hollyland headsets work?
Perfection. It was
Man.
good. It's honestly, communication is king, and having a system that just instantly gives you the exact crisp voice that you need.
Yeah, I don't think people really understand how crystal clear these headsets are.
You guys gotta just try them. We literally just ran through Manhattan, NYC, probably for a good like 3 hours, communicating with Vic in front of us, behind us the entire time. Literally, there's no drop in communication at all. None. You guys really just got to try these for yourself. And that's a wrap on this BTS Vault.
All right, so we're gonna do an audio quality test right now. I'm gonna close this door. Nick, you can stand like around over here. I'm gonna move back and hold on. Let's see. Close this door. And how'd the shoot go on Monday?
So the shoot went really well. We got to start off here in Bayville, got some awesome shots by the water, got some drone shots. Then from there, we stopped, got some food at Toku. Shout out to Toku, it was an awesome dinner. Then headed over to the city where we drove on the FDR, got some rollers, went to Grand Central Station, got some photos there, and some video there as well. And then ended off by the water down by Brooklyn Bridge. So it was a really good shoot.